Hey everyone, Meckler here, and I'm over in Siena, which is the fastest growing neighborhood in the central Texas area. It's in Round Rock. So I am at a Scott Felder home. This one is the Parmer plan. So this is the view you get as soon as you walk in. So just keep in mind, this is the sales office. This is the model home. So this right here off to your right will actually be your garage. But let's go ahead and get started. So off over here is your office. So tons of natural light, and I really like Scott Felder as a builder because of those details right there. Right, you got your half bath down here. So perfect for guests to use without having to go to anyone's bedroom. So straight ahead, we've got this beautiful kitchen. Light colors, tons of light flowing throughout. Got a little desk right there to do your mail. And this is your utility room, so your washer and dryer connections there. Dining area over here. And your living room over here. Master bedroom down, which is always nice to have in my opinion. And I love this window right here. That is really cool. Just little details like that. And then take a look at the ceiling on this one as well. So very large master suite, tons of room in here. Let's go in here and I'll show you the master bathroom. Take a look at that. Awesome tub. Huge window letting tons of light in. Walk-in shower as well. Dual vanity, separated. That's pretty neat. And take a look at this closet. It's a good size walk-in closet. Just going upstairs. Again, another large window letting tons of light in. Feels really, really homey in this house. So a nice barn door there. Little upstairs area. And let's start off over here. So you've got your second bedroom here. Second bathroom in here, second full bathroom I should say. And this is a very cool space right here. You can use this as your own little movie theater. Really nice. And then off over here, you've got your third full bathroom, which is pretty nice to have a dual vanity in your guest bathroom. And then additional bedroom in here, closet over here. And your last bedroom in here. Closet in there. So there you have it, the Parmer plan by Felder Homes.